Good morning, sixth graders. It's good to draw for you this morning. We're gonna do some 1-point perspective shapes. So basically the first thing I'm going to want you to do is get a straight edge for whatever shapes you choose. I did a star, a heart, a square, and a circle. You could do whatever you want. You could do a diamond, you can do a triangle, you could even do a block letter for your name, whatever you want to do, whatever shapes. So I'm just going to do the same thing that I did over here. You can put your, because you're going to need a vanishing point, right? You can put it wherever you want on your paper. I would suggest higher up so it looks like, yeah, basically it's looking like our shapes are coming out at us. Okay, so put it somewhere at the top, wherever you want. I'm gonna put mine up in the same place I did over here. So mine's just at the top right, okay? And then I'm gonna draw a circle. You can, if you're going to do a circle, again, you might wanna get something to trace or just draw really, really slow, whatever. All right, I'm gonna do my box here. I'm using a straight edge because you're definitely gonna need that in order to make your lines to your vanishing point, okay? So get whatever straight edge you have. A book, like the spine of a book, works just fine if you don't have a ruler at home. Okay, I'm gonna do my heart. And I'm also gonna do my star. I'm going to trace my star because I tend to do a good job maybe once or twice with a star. And since I already drew a fairly good one, I'll just trace it to make it faster and easier for you guys, so you're not watching me try to draw a star freehand, which I did here, but okay. Alrighty, so I have my vanishing point here, and so basically all you have to do is you need to connect each corner of your object, of your shape, to that vanishing point. So you're thinking, well, I've got some curved lines here. That's fine. Pretend that there's corners, okay? So if this was a square, where would the corners be? So I'm gonna come to the side of my triangle. I'm gonna take my straight edge. I'm gonna make sure that it's connected to that vanishing point. I'm gonna do a straight line. Bam. So I wanna go to the other side. Okay, I'm still going to that same vanishing point and connecting. Bam. Okay. So now let's go ahead and do that heart. I'm gonna do the same thing. With the heart, you can think of this middle part where it comes in as a corner as well. So I go to the side of the heart, I'm gonna connect to that vanishing point. I'm gonna do it on the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna go and I'm going to go down to where it goes in there for my heart, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect. Just like that, okay? Let's go ahead and go over to my square here. I'm gonna go to this corner. Oops, I'm just holding it nice and still. It's going to that vanishing point. I know I need to go to that corner as well. Going to the vanishing point and this corner too. So we know we're gonna see the side of this box. It's a box now. Okay, we know we don't have to do this corner because it would go through our square here, okay? So let's do the star. I know I'm gonna do the top tip of that star here, right here. Now we need to make sure that we think of the corners, the angles on the inside as well. We need to think of that. We're going to take that to the vanishing point. We're gonna do this. Angle as well. Now you can check to see if you need to do any angles on the side as well, and then when you hit your star, you stop. You don't bring that line all the way up. I know I need this corner. Okay, and that's it. See, I don't need to do this tip here because it would go through my star. So there we go. So now the next thing you do is, you can see I did parallel lines going all the way to the vanishing point. So these, when I say parallel, it's parallel to the side of wherever this line started on your square. So here, or whatever shape you're doing. And you can see my parallel lines they're wide apart here and slowly get closer together as they get to the vanishing point. So you're gonna go ahead and do that. Use your straight edge for straight lines, people. And remember, they're going to get closer together the closer you get to that vanishing point. So I did doing that all down the side, and I'm also going to do that on the top. Now remember, it's parallel to the starting line here. Make sure if you do a square that you start it where you started that side line. Excuse me. And you're going to bring that all the way back. For the heart, you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to mimic this curved line. And it does the same thing. It's going to, these lines start to get closer together the closer they get to the vanishing point. Okay, same thing with the star. Just parallel here. Excuse me. Okay, when you shade, you can see that it's darkest towards the vanishing point and gradually gets lighter as it gets to the face of your shape. Okay? Anyway, have a great time doing this. Remember, you can do whatever shapes, letters, whatever you want to do. Have a great day. I miss you, 6th grade.